Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review of this DONALOVEHAIR extensions. So I got clip-in extensions. First of all, ang cute na packaging. Super cute. Like, look at that. It reminds me so much of the Tiffany & Co. It has bow right there. It says DONALOVEHAIR, love is all. And then at the back, it says enjoy. I really enjoy the packaging. It's really cute and I like that it's not like very bulky as well. So it just came in this really small box, and then when you open this you will see these babies right here. I actually already used this. It wasn't really like this originally. It was packaged really nicely and it looked really nice when I received it. I haven't used it outside though, so I have just been using it while I am inside the house. I have never tried clip-in extensions before, so these are my very first. So as you guys notice, I have really thin hair and I also dyed my hair. Sa lahat na nagtatanong ko ano yung kulay ng buhok ko, ano yun, tawny blonde from Fortaleza sa HBC. So that's my hair color. So in the box, you will get the DONALOVEHAIR comb. This is actually my everyday comb now, not just for my extensions but for my real hair as well. I really like this. It's that kind of like thin rubber material and it works really good as an everyday comb. So I have been using that comb. It looks really cute. It has the brand name on there and just so cute. And then the hairs looks like this. This is the, let me just take it off the packaging, and you can reuse the plastic because it is one of those like Ziploc. This is really long. I do not know why I chose the longest one because as you guys can see, I don't have that really long hair, but I just figured like, you know, I'd rather order the really long one and just cut it myself than order a short one, and I feel like I need more, you know what I mean? So this hair is called the medium dark brown Indian Remy clip-in hair extensions. This is the 24 inches and 130 grams na hair. I actually ordered the chestnut brown Indian Remy clip-in hair extensions. Same length, same grams, but for some reason I got the medium one. I just realized that today when I was going through my emails and I was like, oh, I got the wrong one. The colors doesn't really match 100%, but I can't say it's close enough, but it's not bad at all. Like, it will blend in and it will be fine. So this set came with 7 clip-ins. So I have one of these 4 clips. It has 2 of the 3 clips and then 4 of the 2 clips ones. I tried putting all of them on my hair and it's just overwhelming. Like, it's way too much hair for me. So I have been using just these 4 clips and these 4 2 clips hair extensions right here. So hindi ko ginagamit yung merong 3 clips because again, it's just way too much for me. The price, I actually forgot how much this was, but I'm gonna put the prices right here. I'm pretty sure it's free shipping. If not, then I will correct myself somewhere on the screen. The quality of the hair is actually good. I like it. You can easily brush it. I have been using this and I don't really see that much hair fall, which is good. And the clips feels really secure as well, so you will not have any problems thinking, oh my gosh, my hair is falling or something like that. It feels really secure. But then again, I haven't worn this outside yet with like all the wind happening and stuff like that. I have just been wearing this inside the house. I've been laying on the couch with this hair and no problem at all so far. The shipping was really fast. It arrived less than a week, which is great because I believe this came from, I do not know, but I'm pretty sure this is an international shipment. For it to be delivered less than a week is very impressive. I will go ahead and put it on and show you guys how it looks like on me. Okay, so I already have the clip-ins right now, and as you guys can see, it's very long. Hanggang dito yung buhok ko. The medium brown is actually not that bad. It blends with my real hair pretty nicely naman. Hindi naman siya obvious. Hindi pa rin ako komportable suotin siya sa labas kasi ewan ko, pero gustong-gusto ko siya, as in very secure yung mga clip-ins niya. Para sa akin, hindi naman siya obvious, lalo na kapag kinat ko na siya na magle-level siya sa real hair ko. As of now, parang ganyan. Pero ang ganda ng feeling na sobrang kapal at sobrang haba ng buhok ko. Like, sobrang haba talaga ng buhok ko. Overall, I really like it. The service is amazing. The shipping was really fast and the packaging is all cute and nice. And the most important thing, the quality of the hair and the clip-ins are good. So that's great. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. I do not know how to explain this. This is so hard.